Shay, and more. Plus, a very special presentation of the iHeartRadio Icon Award to Elton John. Celebrate all of the incredible artists and music of holy year. Thursday, May 27th, live from the Dolby Theater in Los Angeles. Don't miss our 2021 iHeartRadio Music Awards.
Did you leave a cravings back?
Enough for a big birthday cake. It's only just enough to fill a mug. Aha! Yeah! I can make magic mug cake. Let me pour it into this mug. There we go.
Fucking Jesus Christ.
This is why you don't run stop signs, you stupid
crossing. Yeah, dude, I had to get in front of you or else 2 seconds late.
Well, this guy.
Holy.
I got in touch with one of the guys from the Life back in the 80s, so I called up this guy, let's call him Tony. I call up Tony, I'm like, hey Tony, it's Craig. He's like, hey, what's it coming to go? Yeah, do it for us.
¡Ay, nomás!
cagaste, ¿no? ¿Cómo te vas a meter hasta ahí?
Acá sí que la cagué para volver. Se me hundió en la arena. Y si yo las meto siempre.
There we go.
Yeah, you can speed up. What?
Now suddenly you can go again. Whoa! Whoa!
Asshole.
You're an asshole. Holy asshole. Come on, stay green. Stay green.